Perched high above the city, welcome to a hilltop landmark estate with commanding, unobstructed mountain views. All while being just minutes from outdoor adventures, shopping, dining, popular parks, and cultural destinations. This 6,500 square foot masterpiece offers timeless design, expansive living, and unique architectural features. The expansive great room flows seamlessly to an outdoor deck with panoramic downtown Portland and mountain views. Inside, walls of windows frame generous living spaces, while the chef's kitchen is beautifully designed, offering both elegance and functionality. From glowing sunsets to morning sunrises, the vistas here are truly unforgettable. The primary suite offers a serene retreat where you can wake up to sweeping views and unwind in the spa-inspired bath. You'll find a main level dedicated office and on the upper level additional bedrooms plus flexible spaces for everyday living. Architectural details include the cupola centerpiece with bird's eye views of its own. The lower level extends the versatile living options with a full kitchen, a covered deck for year-round outdoor relaxation or intimate gatherings, plus a secret wall that opens to the theater room. A separate entrance leads to an auxiliary studio space, perfect for a home business or guest quarters. A basement workshop creates the ideal space for hobbies, projects, or storage. By day or by twilight, this estate is more than a home. It's a rare landmark of elegance, comfort, and breathtaking beauty. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.